Hi, welcome back to my channel, Home Life Love. My name is Rachel, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my picks for my lipstick combinations for the week. That's what I've been doing as of late. I was choosing out all of my products for the week, but I have pretty much been using the same products uh, with a combination of the same products with maybe one or two added products. And so I have been rotating my palettes and my face products, but my lipsticks, because they last for such a small amount of time, I have been trying to rotate those a little bit faster or more often, should I say. So I have actually a new set of lip products that I have, and I also wanted to share with you some new bronzer that I have. It is the Revolution bronzer, and I will start off by saying this is not available right now, but they do plan on restocking it, and it's absolutely beautiful. If you are familiar with my channel, I have been using the Chanel bronzer for quite some time, and just recently they came out with a new darker shade, and the shade is still not quite dark enough for a really nice toasty brown bronzing, but it is it does show up, but it's just not toasty brown the way I really want it to be. I already have the lighter one that I kind of use in the center of my face, and I do love it for that. The problem I'm having with the new formula, or the darker formula, is the fact that it has coconut oil in it, and coconut oil tends to break me out. And so I have been using it because of course I'm just going to use it. This is what it looks like. But when I saw Andrea Renee, or Renee, no, Andrea Renee, or is it Renee Andrea? Now that I'm saying it, I can't remember. But anyway, I'll put her name on the screen. She reviewed this product right here, and it is so beautiful, and it is so much like the Chanel bronzer. It even has the little thing that goes on top to keep it moist. But this is what it looks like. And I'm just going to compare it to the Chanel product. And oh, and you can see that this one is a lot deeper, but it has the same gel-like consistency, so you get a much better bronze with this one than you do with this one right here, for my complexion anyway. I'll just swatch it. This is the Chanel, and I'm just going to put the top back on this so that it has very little air in it. And then this is the Revolution Agenda. I'll use a different finger. It's a little bit more stiff than the other one. So you see those two. So this is a very, very beautiful bronze. The product is absolutely beautiful, and they pretty much perform the very same way. And what I really like about bronzers that are cream and this lightweight consistency is that you can use them without makeup on. Today I have on a little bit of concealer under my eyes. It's actually the Marc Jacobs concealer in tan, and I have that under my eyes, just right in the corners, just to take care of some of that darkness. And then I have it set with my DJ's Boutique setting powder. I can use it under my eyes, and it doesn't look really powdery, so I set that right up under here. And from there, I just have on some eyeliner and mascara. Yes. Oh, that's not true. And I also have on this product from Charlotte Tilbury, which is the Flawless Filter. And this is in deep, 6.5 deep. I have that right on my cheeks right there. This is just such a beautiful color. I think it's not just the deepness of this color, but just the shade of the color is just perfect. It's so beautiful. It just makes your face look very, very warm, especially when you use it along with a contour product that's more cool. This is just so beautiful to go over it and look really, really beautiful. This one is very beautiful too for a very soft bronze, but it's just not as you just don't see it as much. It doesn't warm up your face as much as this one right here. So it is very pretty. And then the lighter one that I have, again, I use that under this area right here. The product is so lightweight that it just really makes a big difference. And so I really, really like it. The other new products that I have are both from DJ's Boutique. And this is a blush and a highlighter. The blush is in Coral Glow. And I'm not wearing any blush, so maybe I'll just pop some of this on. This is what the blush looks like. It is very intense, but it is definitely very pretty. Very, very pretty. And it gives you a really pretty glow, like it says in the name. Very, very pretty. Because it is so intense, I like to apply it with my finger and then just blend it out. And honestly, every single product I have, I like to use this brush on with it because it just blends perfectly. Okay, so this is Coral Glow from DJ's Boutique, and this was a new release that she had last week. I was so excited about it. And this is her new release of a powder, a loose highlighter, and it's called Heat Wave. This is what the packaging looks like. Oh, too bright. Right there. And when you look at the powder on the inside, it looks white. Can I get this up there? Let's see. There it is. See how it just looks white? But then you put it on and it is the most beautiful brownish type tint. Let me put it here. Oh, I should have swatched the bronzer. Not the bronzer, the blush. See how this goes on, and it is so, it's iridescent, but it has a brown color to it. I'm just going to swatch the Coral Glow. I'll put it right up here. So beautiful. Isn't it gorgeous? Very pretty. And it definitely looks good on your body. Like, I'll put some here and you'll see how gorgeous it looks. See how pretty that is? It's really, really nice. Maybe I'll put some right here. See, it gives such a beautiful glow, and it's not overdone. Even if you put a lot of it on, it's not overly done. So, beautiful products. Blend it in a little bit more. I finally cut my hair. Finally, I don't know what took me so long. I like it when my curls are like nice and rounded on the end, but when my hair is not cut, it doesn't do that. And so, like, if it's overdue for a cut, it doesn't do that. So I just cut my hair, and now I have my nice rounded ends again. I'm so happy about it. I do feel that I need to take a little bit more off the back, but the only thing is, in the summertime, I like to wear my ponytail, and that is my ponytail hair. So if I take that off, I won't really have much of a ponytail. So now on to my lip combos for the week. I have this Friends Times Revolution lip kit, and this is the NikkaK kit. And this is what the products look like inside. Absolutely gorgeous. Now, I did open this up and attempt to swatch the lip liner, but I can't get the lip liner open, and I didn't even remember that before I started this video. I would have asked my husband to open it for me. I'll ask him to do it now. So this is the first color in here, and this is the light one for the NikkaK set, and this is the dark one for the NikkaK set. Beautiful. Thank you, dear. Okay, so he was able to open it. Let me just swatch it. The tip of it broke off. Ooh, that is gorgeous. Okay, so let me try it on. Oh, that's beautiful. I really like that. I think the only thing that I would do is maybe add a touch of a darker lip liner with this. So I'm going to use my Juvia's Place Brownie, and more than likely this will be my last week with this because this is all I have left of Brownie. I haven't had it that long, but it's already gone. Yeah, I like this with a little bit of a deeper. But I like it. These are very, very creamy. So these will be in my rotation for this week, definitely. And I'll put Brownie in here with it. So that's rotation number 1. And these beautiful blue bags came from DJ's Boutique. My products came in these bags, and the blue is just so electric and beautiful. I love that. Okay, so I have this. I have another lip kit that I will be using, and I have This bag right here holds my tools that I use for my lip products. And I have this lip kit, and this lip kit is from the beauty supply. And these are liquid lipsticks. They dry down nice and matte, so they are perfect. I'm just going to go and get something to wipe this off, and I'm going to put this on. Okay, so the lip colors that I have are Millbrook from the matte NikkaK line. And then the lighter color I have, a little bit more warm, is from Ruby Kisses Forever Matte, and this is in Toasted. And I've shared this one a number of times because I use that quite often. And I will just swatch them. There's that right there. And then this is Toasted, and Toasted is a much more liquid formula. It takes longer to dry, but I do like it. And you can see this is a very, very neutral color. It's a purpley color, but it really just blends into my skin as being neutral. And then I will add the Toasted. I really have to wipe this off. So what I do is I take the Menthol Lip Shine and I put some on the back of my hand, and I put a good amount. There it is right there. And I load up my brush with it. And you'll see that the color on my lips won't even transfer to the brush. See that? And I think that the once you let it dry, it still stays really nicely. You'll have to replace your gloss, but you won't have to replace the lip color. And this is extremely nude and neutral. And I really like that. This is one of the combinations that I used last week as well, but I'm going to continue to use it. So these are my kits for the week, and then here are my tools that I have pulled, and I just know exactly what I will be using, and that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you again soon, guys. Bye.